Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Gotta ride away, but you're running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway, baby? Just come home to me. All night, all night. We gotta ride away, but you're running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway, baby? Just come home to me. All night, all night. I am B for vibe, moving to my life. What's mine on that QGTM type of time now? I'm not sorry, this drove a Rari. Big energy, his bling was really blinding. Them be my type, scheme with him all through the night. He hits me up and give me pain, and then we catch a flight. From time to time, I know it's wrong, but it feels so right. I know that it feels so right. What's done is done, the devil steady testing me. Tease me gently like expensive trees, like it's your expertise. Touched by V, you know it's blessed. And baby, I need you. We gotta ride away, but you're running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway, baby? Just come home to me. All night, all night. We gotta ride away, but you're running.
First, I want to say happy Cinco de Mayo. I am filming today on Cinco de Mayo, and honey, best believe later on today, me and Bae are going to be Cinco de Mayan, okay? Whatever that means, all right? We're going to be doing it. All right, y'all. So the wig that I am rocking was sent to me by Luvme Hair. Shout out to you, Luvme. Every time Luvme comes through, they come through with the come through, so shout out to you, boo. You the real MVP. All right, so the wig that I am wearing is their trendy mixed brown short-cut curly minimalist HD lace glueless side part wig, 100% human hair. So it says this unit has super transparent lace, more versatility, glueless install, lightweight and comfortable length, flawless melt with scalp, and protective style. The unit comes in 10 inches. It's 150% density. The color is 2 and 28. It's pre-plucked and it can be dyed. It has a total of 4 combs, and yes, it can be worn glueless. It also comes with an elastic band, and it has the 6.5 by 4 inches minimalist lace. So, and it comes as a left side part. All right, y'all, so those are all the details and specs on their site. Now, the first thing I want to say, y'all, I am wearing this wig completely glueless. It's glueless, girl. Okay, like I literally slapped old girl on my head. Like, I kid y'all not, I slapped her on my head, put some water on it, fluffed it out with my mousse, and applied some concealer to the part and called it a day, girl. Okay, this is the ultimate beginner friendly wig. Now, I did decide to bleach the knots. Like I have been telling you guys, I have been on a kick. Now, the last Luvme wig, I decided not to bleach the knots because I decided to use adhesive. With this one, I bleached the knots because I decided I was not going to use any adhesive, because I want to show you guys that it is very, very beginner friendly. Now, even though I bleached the knots, it's not something that you have to do. That is a personal choice, and it's not a whole lot of lace if you did want to bleach it. Like, it's the perfect wig if you're just even trying to start out with bleaching. Like, it's beginner friendly all around. So with this wig, it does have, it's like from here to here, but it's a left side part, so you cannot part this wig elsewhere. Now, there is enough space in that little parting area where if you wanted to change the part some, you do have like from here to here of lace to part, but that's it, girl. Okay, so you can't wear this wig in a middle part, or even, I wouldn't even say you can wear it as a right part. I would say is a wig that you're gonna get, and it's gonna be a left side part. But to me, that makes it extremely beginner friendly. As far as shedding and tangling, I did not receive any of the things. Not to say old girl won't do any of the things at some point, just straight out of the package, and she's doing none of the things, girl. As far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is, but I think you can make it work across the board. It does have the elastic band in there, and I made mine very tight. I am an average cap size, but I think you can make it work because of that elastic band. But I only have the head that's on my shoulder, so girl, do with that what you want to do with that, because that's pure speculation on my part. So yeah, y'all, if you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so I kind of struggled with a con, and what I came up with is the only con I can think of is that some people don't like, you know, the lace part thing. They like, you know, being able to do more styles with their units. They like the frontal effect. Personally, it doesn't bother me. I typically keep my wigs in one style anyway. Like if I do a middle part, I probably just gonna keep wearing that middle part. If I do a left part, I probably gonna keep doing that. But I do know that for some people that can be an issue, so that is going to be the con. Now the pros are endless. Like girl, let's start with this color. I love this color, and it's, to me, it's a good safe color because of the dark roots, and they're not like jet black roots. They're number 2, so it, to me, it's a smooth transition, and it also allows people that are afraid of color to wear it. Also, I love that it is extremely beginner friendly. All I had to do was throw a girl on and keep it trucking. Love that for me. I love the lace. I feel like the lace looks really good. You can put some bronzer or foundation on it to make it blend in even more, like if you wanted to. Like I put my makeup on before I put on the wig, but a good little hack you can do is when you put on your makeup, just dab your makeup like literally in the lace area, so it'll all be a seamless blend. But I think the lace looks really good on this unit, and especially without even using any adhesive, I think it looks great. And I love the shortcut. It makes it super spring and summer friendly. I got on my little springtime dress. I just feel like it's giving me all the spring vibes, girl. All of the things. All of the things. So yeah, those are my pros. Girl, you know I would recommend this wig. Like, have I ever gotten a Luvme wig that I wouldn't recommend? I would recommend this unit for all the reasons I listed as pros. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know what you guys think. Are you feeling this wig as much as I am? Do you think it's a look? Do you think it's a vibe? Do you think it's all of the things? Because I definitely do. Comment, sound off down below in the comments and let me know what you think. And if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And once again, shout out to you, Luvme, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions and you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HeltoMissC on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love folks next time. Bye.
The looks you love.